all you garden gnomes and fairies. Welcome to my magical cottage world. Today you can escape reality with me and explore cottagecore. Hold up, why am I talking like an old Hollywood star and look like I came out of Snow White? Was that good? Well, in today's video, we are going to be exploring the aesthetic of cottagecore. I'll be giving you a peek into this subculture, transforming myself into a cottagecore girl, and taking you with me on an adventure with Patrick, Diego, and me as we explore a cottagecore planned day. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Savvy Sophia. This is a lifestyle channel where I share positive inspiration, style, and beauty tips with you. If that's your thing, join my community and hit that subscribe button. So what the spotted mushroom is cottagecore? Well, according to Wikipedia,
cottagecore is an internet aesthetic which celebrates the return to traditional skills and crafts such as foraging, baking, and pottery, and is related to similar nostalgic aesthetic movements such as grandmacore, farmcore, goblincore, and fairycore. I do believe in fairies.
According to its proponents, the ideas of cottagecore can help satisfy a popular desire for an aspirational form of nostalgia, as well as an escape from many forms of stress and trauma. Stress and trauma in 2020? Really? And guys, I stumbled across this because it is one of the top search trends in Google right now. So many of us are looking to escape this overcrowded, competitive, tech-filled, pandemic-ridden place and escape to our own fantasy world out in nature, returning to activities and styles of our forefathers. Think 1900s. So let me paint the picture for you. Some of the motifs of cottagecore include mushrooms, fairies, butterflies, deer, bunnies, farm animals in general, the forest, reading a book by an open stream, tea, making a fresh baked apple pie. What more could you ask for to escape the perils of our day? So, what does a cottagecore girl do to pass the day? Cross stitch, baking, gardening, reading, writing poetry, painting. There are even cottagecore playlists on Spotify that you can play and dance by the stream with your woodland friends. But for real, it wasn't long before I was completely immersed in this world of cottagecore, scrolling through cottagecore TikToks for inspiration, Pinterest for outfit ideas, and Instagram to see what everyday real-life cottagecore enthusiasts' life is like. And the more I thought about it, the more I realized that I actually had some roots in the cottagecore lifestyle. I had my mom dig up these old photos of me as a kid dressed in the cottagecore clothing style, and we definitely did a lot of activities out in nature, using our imagination, using our hands, not using a whole lot of technology. And recently, after discovering this subculture, it's all I can think about. I'm not kidding you guys. So I was so excited to make this video and share with you. In fact, it dawned on me that my in-laws, who recently moved from overcrowded Southern California up to a beautiful farm in Oregon, were doing just that, adapting the cottagecore lifestyle. I was looking through some photos and come on guys, take a look. Is this not the epitome of the cottagecore lifestyle? Hi Mom and Dad! So let's begin our transformation. Step 1 is makeup. I'm gonna go for a lighter foundation with a powdery look, some very pink blushes, and we cannot forget our fairy dust. So I'll be adding some sparkles around the eyes and basically just trying to look like a Disney character. Then for hair, I'm going to do some curls, brush them through to give them that lived-in, softened look. Maybe add some braids or some accessories throughout the day. For the fashion, I'm going to be using only items in my own closet. So come join me in my closet as we put together some looks. We just got to our first stop in our adventure. We are going to a farmer's market to pick some local fruits and vegetables. Hopefully we can find some good fruit for a pie.
How many peaches do you need for a peach pie?
In the last chapter of our cottagecore day,
Baking a peach cobbler.
Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and it gave you a nice, relaxing, and fantastical escape from a busy, stressful world. Let me know what you think about aesthetic videos. What other aesthetics do you want me to try? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can be notified every time I make new videos. See you next time!